Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 9070 gaming 0616G and then hit enter. After that search your graphic card on this website. Then click on the product. After that click on this model number. And then click on support. And select operating system Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations same. Select, this is your driver NVIDIA driver, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download icon. It will take some time, depend about your internet speed, 4 to 5 minutes. And after that click on three dot in corner and then click on download. Then it is completed, then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing, it will take some time, and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.